Hi everyone, in this demo, I'll show you a real example of third-party API integration. This is a simple HTML interface we created for one of our partners. It connects directly to our core API, but it was customized specifically for their needs. In this case, the goal was to generate personalized nutrition plans to support patients under GLP-1 pharmacological treatment. All the parameters, the structure of the diet, the macronutrient and micronutrient targets, the type of recipes, and even the format of the output were defined by the client. Let's see how it works. We enter some user data: gender, age, weight, height, diet type, preferences, and any relevant health or lifestyle parameters. Once submitted, this form sends the data to our API, and in real time, the system returns a full weekly plan tailored to those exact requirements. The result includes daily menus, recipes, ingredients, quantities, preparation steps, and nutritional values. It also adapts to restrictions or specific health goals. This is just one example. Our API can be trained and adapted to follow any set of rules for medical, genetic, cultural, or lifestyle purposes. And it works seamlessly inside any external tool, app, or digital health platform.